Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create post categories on your website. You're going to be posting posts, and as time goes on, your posts start getting merged. So you want to categorize this post just the same way you organize your files into folders on your computer. You can do the same thing on your website. So you organize your post into different categories. So if you are let's say your niche is tech and you're writing about lots of things, maybe you have some articles about phone reviews, you have some about laptop reviews. You don't want to mix them together. You want to categorize it. Okay, for phone reviews, I want to put them here. For um laptop reviews, I want to put them here. Okay, you still want to further categorize that. Okay, for Johnny phones reviews, I want to put them in this category. For Itel phone reviews, I want to put them in this specific category. So that someone that is coming to your website now, let's say you just want to come to your website to come and read about your Journey phone reviews, you can just easily go to your posts achieve on Journey phones, and you will just see only posts about Journey phone reviews. So it's very easy for people to see access their content apart from the search functionality. So we are going to go about creating post category now, and to do that, click on over on posts, click on categories, and you'll be here. So the first thing we have to do is to enter the name of our category. So right now I'm just going to create just one for this tutorial. So let's say the category we want to create now is business. The name of the category is business, right? So for the slug, you don't have to enter the slug. The slug automatically be created based on the name. So it's not compulsory to enter it. So don't waste your time. Then for parent category, we leave it as it is. We want it to be a parent category. For description, you can enter a description anyway. If you want that to be shown, you want people to see description of your category, you can write it there. And if you're using um, although on some themes the description might not be shown, but in this training I'm going to show you how to create your own custom post category template. So with that you can define if you want to show the description or not. So if you are certain that I want to show the description on my post category page, that is on my post achieve page, then just enter it there. So click on add new category, and you can see it over here. So let's go ahead and create another one. Let's create another one, and we're going to make that one a child of this business category just to show you how it works. So let's say this one I want to create now is investments. So the slug, we are not entering the slug. You can see the slug created earlier on. So here. Then now I want to make investment a subcategory of business. So we select business as its category, and we'll click on add new category just like we did. So you can see investment is a subcategory of this. So let's say we want to create a subcategory under this investment. We can say what category can we use. Let's say we want to say agricultural. Did I get the spelling? Agriculture. Okay, cultural investments. So as a subcategory of investment, so we are trying to create kind of hierarchy. So if I click on add new category now, you can see this is a subcategory. So this 2 dash underneath investment means that it's a subcategory of investment. So that's how you can go about creating categories and adding subcategories, subcategories. You understand? Just looping it like that. Okay. And if you want to view the archive page, if you click on view, you're able to see all posts that are under business. If you click on view for this, you see all posts that are under investments. If you click on this, you see all posts that are under what do they call it? That are under agricultural investment. And if you look at the bottom left, you can see the URL structure slash category. If you can remember in the video on WordPress basic settings, we set the slug for our post category to be category. That's why it's showing slash category. If we set it to something different, it will show slash that thing, then followed by all of this one. Right? So that's it. And you can see right now there are no posts on that business. That's why it's not showing anything. Okay. Then if we should, okay, so that's it on how to create post categories. I saw this category here that was here by default. You can see that you cannot delete it. So how do you go about deleting it? Let me show you how to go about that. So the first thing to delete this uncategorized category, which is currently on our website, we don't want it anymore, is to change your default post category. So to do that, go to over on settings, click on writing. Let's open that in a new tab. Now from here you can see that the default post category is set as what? Uncategorized. That is why we cannot delete it. You cannot delete your default post category unless you set another post category as the default post category, and you will now be given the option to delete that. So once you have set that, so I'm setting it as business, you would save changes. Then once we save changes, we can reload this. Okay, so the changes just got saved. So let me refresh again. Okay, so if we should go to the uncategorized now, you can see the delete option is now there, and we can successfully delete this uncategorized category. Okay, so you can see that we had one post under this uncategorized, but when we deleted it now, you'll be wondering, will the post also disappear? No. What will happen is that the post would be assigned to the default post category. So let me refresh so you can see that. So I recommend that if your website is live and you want to delete the post category, probably before or after you delete the post category, go to those posts that it is on and change their category to something different so that you don't mix things up. Okay, so you can see now that that post is now here, and if I should refresh this, you would see the post shown on the archive page. So you can see, so that's how to go about it. And if you want to delete a post, okay, I already shown you how to delete a post category. So for example, if you want to like edit your post category archive, maybe you want to add a description, just click on edit to do that. For the quick edit, it's just all about changing the name and the slug. So if you want to change the name and the slug, you can do that. And let me just show you one shortcut. Let's assume I want to change the name of this one to something else. Let's say sports, just as an example. If I remove the slug, it automatically creates the slug as sports. So instead of you entering it twice, just enter the name, clear the slug out, and click on update category. So let's see. So you can see now it automatically created the sports category, the sport slug. Now from here you can change whatever setting you want to change, description and all of that. So that's it, and this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be creating, where I'll show you how to use the block editor to write posts for your website.